EduTech Summit 2020 Istanbul. Now I want to introduce you SOLIDWORKS innovative technology for kids. It's called AppsForKids. So what we can do here, we can model, we can style, and we can do 3D prints. So we can reach to a very rich content of 3D models. You can take it to your space. You can interact easily with this 3D model. And you can even shape the model with some 3D gestures. On top of that, it's not only modeling, also styling. With the styling option, you can add colors, you can give some characterization like this. So for example, you want to change some colors, you go there, you click the coloring tools, and you can add some, I don't know, some colors here. And on top of that, you can even add some 3D lines. But all these lines are in 3D. As you see, it's in 3D, and you can zoom in out in a very interactive session. And then the last thing, you can go to some different backgrounds, like an elephant in the natural habitat. So after that, if you want, you can go and 3D print it. So with this nice feature, you can even 3D print, or if you don't have a 3D printer, with a very easy step, you can make a cube print. You cut it and make a cube. But if you have a 3D printer, of course, you can print it, even more than one, two at the same time. And then you can give some colors in reality. So this is called AppsForKids, and it's free. You can just log into SOLIDWORKS appsforkids.com and start using now. See you next time.